Hey Tyler, long time no see.
Sylvia, I haven't seen you here at the gym for ages.
Yeah, I've just been too busy to work out.
How's school going?
Everything's okay except for an 8 o'clock math class I have.
It's early. Say, it isn't Math 204, is it?
Yes, it is. Why?
Oh, a friend of mine is in that class.
Really? What's his name?
Zach Peterson. Do you know him?
I think so. What color is his hair?
He's a carrot top.
Yeah, that's him. He likes the morning math class as much as I do. Excuse me, do you mind if I sit down?
Oh, let me move my bag.
Thanks. By the way, do you live in the dorm? I think I've seen you there. I live in the dorm too.
Yes, I just moved in last week. Oh, really? Do you like it? I'm not so lucky. My first class is on the other side of the university, but I've got a bicycle, so it doesn't take too long.
I've got a bike too, but I haven't needed it this semester. It's okay. It takes me about 5 minutes to get to my first class in the morning.
Well, this is my stop coming up. By the way, my name's Bob.
Hi Bob, I'm Sylvia.
Nice meeting you, Sylvia. I'll probably see you around.
Okay, bye Bob.
Hi there, I'm Zach. I saw you in the 8 o'clock class.
Oh, you mean Math 204?
Yeah, you probably didn't see me. I was late, so I was sitting by the door.
Well, I'm Sylvia. I'm sorry, did you say your name was Jack?
Actually, it's Zach with a Z.
Sorry, Zach. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night.
Don't worry about it. People are always calling me Jack.
Zach, why are you taking that 8 o'clock math class?
That's the only time I can take 204. If I could take it later, I would.
Yeah, I understand. My schedule's the same way.
But next semester, I think I'll be able to take Math 205 in the afternoon.
I'd like to do that. I'm just not a morning person, especially when it comes to math.
Dr. Evans?
Yes?
Let me introduce myself. I'm Mark Davis from Lakeside Hotel.
How do you do, Mr. Davis? It's very kind of you to meet me.
I'd imagine so. That's a 19-hour flight from Sydney to Chicago. Oh, it's my pleasure. How was your flight?
Hope you don't mind if I just check in and go to sleep.
Not at all. Let's pick up your bags and get you over to the hotel.
It was okay, but it was really long. I'm a bit tired. Sounds great.